Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a web browser, basic web browser in Visual Studio 2010, or this will work in 2008 too, or any type of Express version. First, what you want to do is you want to open it up, which I already did, and you have to go to New Project. You can click New Project here, you can go to File and click it, And what you want to do is you want to click on Windows Form Application and then name it whatever the snap you want. That's my word, snap, so we're just going to get used to it. Web browser. Yeah, I'm just gonna click OK. And you're gonna see how simple this is. It's not as difficult as you think it is. Sorry, it's lagging a little. I have a lot of other processes open, which I could probably exit, but no, I'm not going to. Because I'm just like that. So what you want to do is you just want to maximize it. Click on Toolbox and then get, what should I do? Yeah, I'll just get a text box first. So I'll get a text box and just enlarge it. Yeah, I'll make it that big. What should I do now? I'll change the text. I'll put HTTP dot, and then what I want to do is if you want to make it a little bigger, right? Because that looks kind of weird. So I'm gonna go to the, if I can find it here, yeah, font, and I'm just gonna make it 14. There we go. That looks a little normal. And then I'm gonna go to buttons, and you just want to make how many? I don't know. Maybe 6, 7, depending on the browser you're making. I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll just delete this one. I do not know why it's so big, to tell you the truth. I just have to just change the font back to normal. 8. There we go. Just do that for all of these. And font 8. Wonderful. It's beautiful. Work of art, really. Go to, just keep putting buttons here. I'm just gonna make this as quick as possible. Try to not explain stuff and just do it, and you should be able to learn from the video. I really don't know what happened to button 5, so yeah, button 5 is gonna be button 6. I think I deleted it. Yeah, probably did. And then go here and put button 7. That's gonna be go, by the way. Just hope you know that. This button 1 is going to be back. This one is going to be forward. Again, you can always add your own pictures inside. This one is going to be refresh. This one is going to be stop. This one is going to be home. And then this one's going to be go. Go. Oh, my bad. Go. I like capital letters. And now that we have this, we want to actually have a web browser, right? That's the whole point. And there's a web browser function, so you just put a web browser function inside this Form 1 application. I'm going to put it full screen this thing. Put it right here. Fill up the space. Don't fill it up too much, or else you won't be able to see your scroll bar, and that wouldn't be very pretty. And again, you can always add tabs, with more web browser 1, web browser 2. There's more functions, but this is just the basic web browser. So what I'm going to do now is I have a web browser and I have all my buttons here. So, time to get coding. I double click on back to view the code. Make sure you don't actually click view code, because it's going to give you a blank thing. You're just going to get confused, okay? So, right now I'm going to go to web. You know that we made one web browser, right? So, this makes sense, of course, if we say web browser 1, because there's only one web browser in this Form application. And then we click on the back button, so we want the back button to go back, so you go back. Isn't that simple? Wow. Oh, you don't really have to study your programming to do that. but yeah. So again, we only have one web browser. I don't want to have to go through this again. I'm just gonna keep typing. Go forward, because we're going forward. Fresh. Stop. Beautiful. Go home. Sounds pretty funny, actually. And this one, the reason what we're gonna do is a little different for this one, the go button, because we want it to navigate into the web browser, of course, whatever we type into this text box coming after HTTP. So what we have to put for the code is going to be a little different than we put for anything else. So web browser. Hold on, this is just being retarded. Sorry, trying to complete my code for me. Web browser. Navigate, because we wanted to navigate the web browser 1, of course. Web browser 1 is the only web browser that we have. But what do we want it to navigate? Well, this is self-explanatory. We want it to navigate inside the text box, whatever we type inside the text box, and whatever we type inside, of course, there's text box 1, because there's only one text box. What do we want it to navigate? The text inside the text box, so we can put text. Isn't that self-explanatory? And then you put the other hyphen, the bracket there, and should work now. I don't know, let me see. If it doesn't, I'm gonna shoot myself. And let's test this out. We can always press the debug button, which is right here. And I'm just gonna maximize this and go to google.ca. There we go. Isn't that wonderful? If you don't want it just to appear blank when you open the first time you open your web browser, what you want to do is you want to double click on this form 1, just on the little bar there. It's gonna say form 1 load, and you want to go. You want to say web browser 1 dot go home again. Isn't that wonderful? And it should go to the home page right now, which automatically is always the Microsoft home page. Hope I did this right. Yeah, I did it right. Alright, so that's how you build your web browser. I'm not going to show you that the functions work, and if you do question me, I will kill you. I'm just joking. All the functions work. Refresh works. Just really quick, that's all. Yeah. I'm in Brazil right now, so my internet's lagging, but it's really, really fast. So thanks for watching my video, and please register to my website. Have a nice day. Bye.